Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can take screenshots without using buttons, only gestures. You have to go for the settings, then you have to find your advanced features, then move for the motion and gestures. Right now we have to activate palm swipe to capture. When we activate, we have to swipe the edge of our hand across the screen to take a screenshot. In my case, I have a few problems with my display, so I'm going to keep it in my hand, and basically we have to make gestures like, oh, sorry guys, we have to make gestures like that. Bang. Just swipe with our hand, and when we make it, as you can see, the screenshot was taken. So in normal cases it works every time, but I have problem with my touch interaction on the display and it doesn't work every time. But in your case everything will be fine. As you can see, even in my case with my problems, it works after 3 times. So basically that's how you can take screenshot without buttons when you are using Note 10 Lite. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.